Here's a GRE algebra question. Let's take a look. A tailor used 30 buttons that had an average weight of X grams per button and 20 other buttons that had an average weight of 80 grams per button. Which of the following is the average weight per button in grams of the 50 buttons that the tailor used? All right, well, let's talk about the average weight. The average weight per button is just going to be, I'll write this down here, the total weight of all of the buttons divided by the number of buttons, right? In this case, 50. So let's start with this group of buttons over here. We start with 30 buttons that have an average weight of X grams per button. So if I have 30 buttons and each one has an average weight of X, that means in total, the weight of all of those buttons is going to be 30 times X, right? So that's group one of the buttons. And then we got these other buttons over here. We got 20 buttons that have an average weight of 80 grams per button. And so that means that the total weight of all of these buttons, 20 buttons with an average weight of 80, is going to be 1,600 grams. So I'm going to add this here, right? So the total weight of all of the buttons in this collection is 30x plus 1,600. And we're just going to divide that by 50. And when we do, right, we can break this up into 30x over 50 plus 1,600 divided by 50. And when we simplify that down, we get answer option D. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.